Welcome to your Tarotscope Libra. This reading is designed just for you to guide you through the energies and opportunities of Scorpio season. So that's the 23rd of October to the 21st of November 2024. But remember that the tarot isn't about predicting the future, it's about understanding the present and empowering you to navigate it with intention. So I'm Fingal, a professional tarot reader and psychic, and the founder of the Wellness Foundry. So let's dive into the cards and see what message the universe has for you, Libra. Whether you're looking for clarity, inspiration, or a gentle reminder, there's always something to learn from the cards. So here's what you need to focus on for Scorpio season, Libra. So the first card that we have is the Artist. The Artist, for those that are very well versed with the tarot, will know that the Artist doesn't normally appear in most tarot decks, but this deck includes two extra major arcana. So you've got the Six of Cups, you've got the Artist, the Six of Cups, and the Knight of Wands. A bit of a mixed bag, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. It just means that it might be slightly variable, different things going on. It doesn't necessarily feel like things kind of landing in a very concrete way. Not necessarily a bad thing, but you might come out of Scorpio season thinking, what happened? What just went on? If you're anything like me, that's probably how most of your 2024 has gone. But I say this just because you've got a bit of the cups, you've got the wands, you've got a major arcana, so there's no necessarily one overriding strong theme. However, there is this feeling, particularly with the Knight of Wands at the end of your reading, this newfound passion, this newfound excitement, this newfound kind of want to move forward in a very kind of vibrant and vivacious way. So it's probably this season's going to start off quite quiet, quite reflective, quite not necessarily insular, but particularly with the Artist, it's about reflecting on what it is we want to create, what it is we want to do, what life are we creating for ourselves, effectively. And from that, and there may even be points of retrospection. This is what the Six of Cups is all about. It's about nostalgia, it's about memories, it's about childhood. It's all about those kind of, again, it's about the subtler things in life, the small pleasures of life, all of those things. So you may find yourself in this slightly wistful, melancholic, nostalgic headspace, curiously enough. But out of that comes, as I say, this passion to move forward, this drive to move forward. So if you're feeling at the beginning of Scorpio season a little bit, not necessarily low on energy, but kind of I'm lacking that motivation, that drive, don't panic, don't worry. You can see with the Artist card, it is a moment to be sketching things out, sketching ideas out. And I don't mean that literally, but maybe that is a helpful thing to do. But it's the preparation, it's the preparatory time before we launch forward. So just as an artist might draw the sketches for the sculpture and then pull out the chisel to start carving into the marble, this is what Scorpio season feels like for you. So it's a good time, very good time to lay down the plans, lay down the ideas, forward planning, forward thinking. What is it I'm trying to create? Again, I've been saying this to a lot of the... Sorry, my dog's walking around behind me. I've been saying this a lot to the other star signs. 2025 is obviously around the corner. So for you, more than anyone, a bit of a mapping out of what do I want to do. I'm going to say month by month. It doesn't have to be kind of very tight, very kind of meticulous plan thing at all. But a rough sketch, a rough idea of what we're working towards. And if you can blend that, particularly with ideas of what things have been mothballed for a while, what was I really interested in that I put down, what has been put on delay, and if you've got any kind of question of, actually, I don't know what it is I want next, it's well worth kind of raking through your memories, through the past, not in a way that's about getting stuck there, but about a way that kind of, oh, I'd forgotten about that. Actually, that might be really helpful to pick up again. Or that's really insightful. Or, oh, that's where that impulse comes from. But it's really, really nice because you will inevitably land in this Knight of Wands energy. It can sometimes be about travel, but it is also about, he is perhaps one of the most kind of self-assured, and also this thing of, I'm just going to get it done. There's very little that can stop the Knight of Wands, because he will charge ahead regardless. So it will be a slightly interesting contrast where entering in it might be slightly slower, but coming out there's a pace, there's a momentum starting to build through, and that momentum feeling quite exciting. So I hope that helps, my dear Librarians, and have a wonderful, wonderful Scorpio season, and bye for now.